Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add playlists on TikTok. So don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So the first we need to go and open TikTok app here on social media. And once you open the app, we need to go on our profile, click on this button down to the right bottom. And then once you click on our account, we need to see here in this place a method or an option to add a playlist. But if we don't have this option, no worries about it. We need to go up to the right corner here and click on these three lines, and then choose settings and privacy. And then once we're here, we need to scroll down until we can see the section of report and about, and click on report a problem. Now once we're here, we need to wait a few seconds. So we scroll down here to videos and sounds and click on it, and we'll be directed to this page. We scroll down once again and click on other, and scroll down and click on other once again. Wait a few seconds here to report a problem and click on need more help, and here we'll add a report. So here on the feedback, or this section, tell us your feedback, we're gonna say we can't create a playlist, and we can write we don't have enough followers, because some devices or some users are allowed to create a playlist without a specific number of followers, some are not, and that's in our case. This is the fix for the problem. We're going to report a problem, and we're going to click on submit, and we're going to wait a few days or even weeks until we get a response from TikTok. So this is the feedback. They will contact you as soon as possible, and then we're going to wait until we got a response from them to create a playlist for TikTok. So please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.